Hey everybody, so I just wanted to get another video out here at the beginning of the new year and just talk a little bit more about Bravas.io. Now, Bravas is doing something interesting in the market. They're coming out with MSP white labeling capabilities. And what this means for you is that if you're an MSP owner or if you are an IT service provider that does any business whatsoever with businesses who have Apple based devices and you're looking for a way to offer them MDM solution without having to go out and use a known third party, um, then Bravas is a really great solution because you can now take Bravas's offering, you can throw your logo on it, brand it as your own technology platform, and then integrate it very deeply within your service offering. People won't even know that they're getting services from a third party vendor. So, as an MSP, you might not want someone knowing, for example, that you have partnered with Jamf or JumpCloud or Mosel or some other MDM platform, and Bravas really is really great for that. So let's see how Bravas stacks up in terms of a service that you would even want to integrate. Let's look at other providers that have deeply integrated systems and how they go to market with a solution that like Bravas, and let's talk about the key differences between their approaches. All right, so we're on Bravas's website here, and we can see here that Bravas is an MDM platform, and oh look, they actually have support now for Windows devices, which is really awesome. So highly recommend that you check it out. They offer IDP integration. They offer passwordless single sign-on. So just kind of scrolling down here, they actually leverage the logging in with certificates, right? So instead of using a password, we're going with passwordless technology. And this is really great when you're trying to cut down on the number of passwords. So not only does Bravas allow you to manage endpoints and manage inventory, it certainly does do that. If you take a look at their feature setup here, it offers automated onboarding and offboarding, the ability to secure your accounts and data, asset management, and compliance. But one of the key things in this bucket here, if we dig into it, you can actually deploy applications, right? So let's just say that you use one password or you use other applications within your organization like Gmail or Azure, or any other cloud platforms. You can actually deploy access to those systems, and they'll be preloaded onto a dashboard, like a single sign-on dashboard that people can click into, and all of the tokens, all of the access for those items will be logged in with using the user's certificate-based authentication. So passwordless technology is really at the forefront of what Bravas is doing. Now imagine giving your clients, right? You're an MSP, you're an IT service provider, and now imagine giving them a platform like this where they can log in, they can kind of see their inventory, see their devices, see how they're operating, what operating system they're running, is it in compliance, what applications are being provisioned. Give those clients the ability to participate in their onboarding and offboarding, right? So not just rely on you, but actually give them some level of access so that they can participate in the onboarding and offboarding of their employees with an interface that's unparalleled, unmatched in simplicity. And imagine all of that with your logo right up in the corner, right? So they don't even know that they're using this amazing platform, Bravas.io. Now, Bravas is going to hook you up with a really great deal, and not only with the white labeling, but with their MSP program and their deep discounted pricing. They're going to make sure that you're set up for success. So, what other platforms or what other providers kind of do this today? Let's take a look at one of the key competitors out there, Electric.ai. They're an MSP alternative, and they offer multiple products. So let's just take a look at their service offering. So they're offering enhanced security, employee onboarding and offboarding, device lifecycle and inventory, and device procurement and provisioning. So basically everything that Bravas is doing, everything, with the exception of that it's not provisioning actual applications. It's not using that passwordless technology. So we're actually getting more value and more benefit from the solution that Bravas offers. Let's just take a peek at some of their other claims to fame here. So we can integrate this with your HR system. Well, you can integrate Bravas with your HR systems, with your clients' HR systems as well. You can streamline onboarding and offboarding, absolutely. You can do that. And you can manage and monitor your mobile devices. Yep, all the stuff that you can do with Bravas. Look, we're seeing it here advertised right on Electric's website. So very cool and very slick. Now, what does Electric use? Let's just take a peek here. Let's just see if we take a look at their solutions, device management, and we just kind of scroll down. All right, here we are. So Electric is actually partnering with JumpCloud. Now, JumpCloud is a great solution. I love JumpCloud. JumpCloud is an MDM and an IDP. So they're doing everything in a similar fashion to what we see over here at Bravas. Okay, but in terms of pricing, JumpCloud's pricing is a little bit more, well, it's a little bit more layered, right? Because you pay for the features that you want. So if you want that single sign-on layer, you're going to pay a little bit extra for it. If you want that core directory or platform layer, then you're going to pay a little bit more for it. Now, JumpCloud, in all fairness and transparency, does have specific pricing for partners, and they have exclusive pricing for MSP. So highly recommend that you check that out and compare them apples to apples with JumpCloud. However, I don't believe, and I could be wrong, that they offer white labeling. And this is one thing that kind of sets Bravas apart. So when you take a look at their pricing here, keep in mind that they offer very simple pricing. Everything is included, and this is not the MSP pricing. So they're going to make sure that when you resell Bravas, when you're white labeling Bravas, when you're onboarding clients to Bravas, that you're making money. Everybody wants to make some money. The MSPs, the IT consultants, they need to make a little bit in order to survive. Bravas needs to make a little bit in order to survive. And at the end of the day, we're providing a slick, streamlined service offering to your consultancy clients. So highly recommend that you go out there and check out Bravas. Bravas white labeling is live today. It's something that you can take advantage of. And if you use discount code John Brown, JONBROWN, if you mention that during the demo, or if you book your demo and you mention that here, right here on the Bravas' website, they'll give you an extra incentive discount if you qualify. But highly recommend that you check it out. Again, Electric, they're going out there and they're white labeling and they're creating sort of like a MSP as a platform, right? This is kind of like the new frontier. Service offerings, fully automated, very, very integrated, and offering a lot of really cool services to clients. Now you can kind of get it on the game and you can start offering a similar style of offering with Bravas.io. If you have any questions, you can post them right down here in the video. I'll also be posting this video on my blog. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.